Hello everybody, my name is Ola and that's my bathroom. And at some point I decided that I need some shelves over here and I bought an interesting thing, like shelves. So yeah, I just got them back home and now I am planning to, that's my box, which I just got home. And we are going to start, what are we gonna start? Compiling all this construction together. So what we've got here, I got a whole bunch of these metal things which I'm going to assemble. I have an instruction book, I've already took them out of the box and now I'm going to assemble them together. Oh, let's get doing it. I've already started. I took these legs, that was the first step. I found the joints for them, I mean the screw, not exactly screw, so they're going to be leveled up on the floor. So that's the beginning, the first step. The next step is to find scissors. Where are my scissors? Oh, here we go. Because we need to use this, or maybe that. One of them, for some reason they want me to put some plastic things. 2, 3. Do we have one? Interesting, I don't see the bag with number 1. I don't care, I'm opening 2. Top. Okay, it says top, so we're gonna turn it to the top. What level is it supposed to be? It must be on one level. There is a little trick in parenting, as I know 2 sons and sometimes I need their help, so the best way to force a man to do something is not to ask and never demand a man to do anything. So the man will just become curious what you're doing without him and how you can handle this life without him. So the same goes with different ages of men. So my son wasn't forced to do anything for me, and he was just curious what am I over there doing without him. So he just joined my project and he decided to help me assembling this little shelf. So that's the back thing. I put it, alright, no, that's alright. So, and that's, I already inserted it here. Yes. And then I need another one there. Insert it there. Get in. Okay. And then I put it on. Right there. And then this right there. I need to put it on. Oh, it's standing. It's alright. It's gonna be firm enough. Okay, where is our book? Oh, you really need a screwdriver over there. What's next step? Yeah, we checked. We have the firm construction. The process of assembling the shelves isn't really exciting. It's usually just reading the instructions and then putting everything together according to those instructions. So first we had to open all the packages up and then consider different variations, measure the bathroom, and then we just started scrolling it. It's actually quite simple. You just need to start and do that. It's simple, dimple Lego constructor. Tuck stop, that's the end. That's probably from the top because it's already sealed up.
It's closed.
Yeah, that's the top. Yeah, here we go. That's the middle part. And that's another middle part. На. Тикаешь. Okay, how high? Так, у нас есть one, two. Так, есть одна. Включили вторую. Третью. А в каком месте мы полки станем? We decided to relocate all the construction inside here. Видишь, потому что because it's gonna be behind the toilet. Нет, наоборот, it's gonna be under. This metal thing must be under. Get it out, 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 out. Uh-huh. And that thing is out, out, out. Вот, see? Put it up. Put it up.
What happened there is that there is
something,
the connection of the toilet to the wall with a water connection. There is a pipe, and this pipe was interacting differently with our construction, so we needed just to move this lower connection a bit lower than it had been before, and that we had to disassemble the construction before, and then okay, so we just disassembled it a little bit and then put it back together.
Sweet.
I'm gonna see to it.
You gonna see what? Вот у нас там вот эта штучка is not exactly at the spot. Подожди, well, maybe we can move it down, and then we can. Yeah, okay, it's gonna be all right. We can move it closer to the wall. Do we want it closer to the wall?
Yeah.
Then we need to pull it up. Pull these things up. И тогда вот эту штучку ниже опустить просто. Тогда оно не будет вот втыкаться в эту. Понял? Приподнимай вот это вот все. Оп. Потом пипки надо опустить. Нижние. На уровень 2, наверное.
Сложно.
Что тебе сложно? Что? Поняла. Оп. Вот. Pull it up. Up. Опа. Up. Open it up. Раз, два. 1, 2. On this level. Так. And that thing. Pull it up. Not really comfortable. Should have done it before. Opa. There we go. And 1, 2. Level 2. Click, click. Okay, now put them on. Up, up. Firm. Now it's firm and it's below that level. Here, the same way. I have all the shelves here, and then it will be firm just because of the shelves.
Or as a start, it's like that.
Move it down.
Где шлюз?
We need shelves and we need. Смотри. So shelves. Shelf consists of 2 parts. See? Insert this shelf into that shelf. Move it in. So that's the mechanism. Here.
Move down.
Yep. There we go. Click, clack. There. Hold on. No, first we need to put these things on it. Так, which level do you want to have? Like this level, okay? Вот тут это. Ну так, чтобы there must be some space, like to put something on it, or just open the lid.
We need some space like that. 1, 2, 3. The third from the top. Top. There. Click clack. Put some more on. 1, 2, 3. Third. Top. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, sure. Click clack. 1, 2, 3. Third. 1, 2, 3. Third. 1, 2, 3. Third. Click clack.
1, 2.
Okay, good. Yeah. Top. Смотри, тут топ.
Top.
Okay, good. Yeah. Put it down now. The back one. Hold on. Okay, ready. There we are. See, now it's firm. Yeah, it's alright. It's standing. It's firm enough. It's holding just because it's holding. Cool.
These are end pieces.
Uh-oh. Yeah, it didn't. Ты не на третью защелкнул, ты на четвертую защелкнул. Я знаю, что там еще одна есть. Нет, ты на четвертую защелкнул. 1, 2, 3, поэтому она у нас не села. Так, топ. There we go. Now it's sitting properly. Давай. Now we have them, so we can screw them on. Yeah. Go screw them on. I'm gonna bring some more shelves. One more shelf. So shelf consists of two parts. There is the click-clack mechanism over here. So we put it inside there. Where? There. Inside out. Yeah, upside down, whatever. Insert. Hold on, I need to click it out. Click. Click. Did it click? There, click. Hey, stop pushing on me. Okay, we need to put it down. Yeah, we need to level it up. How many more do we have? How many more shelves do we have? More shelves, it's like can be here. 1, 2, and the top will be here. So like this level. Let's see what we want to put on it. Come on, hold on. You want to put... Что, shampoo? Подожди. Shampoo? Get shampoo on it. We're gonna have it... No, how high a little bit. One more. Up, yeah. Yeah, alright, it is gonna be alright. How many? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There is one more.
And now it's just repetition of the same, absolutely all the same things. So we just need to repeat the first steps all together again. So we need to click these connectors on the pipes, the main pipes, and then put the shelves on, and then repeat it all over again. Then get the next shelf, put it on, and then move it further. What did we do again? Connected next pipe, made it higher, and then put the next shelf on. Is it quite simple? All the same, there is nothing extra which you do. Oh, actually these things are also, they were in the box together with the shelf, so they prevent all the stuff from the shelves to fall down. Quite neat actually, I didn't expect that from them.
it's better standing. Maybe it will also prevent them from getting rust from other things if you put something wet on a shelf. It's not really stable because the construction of the shelf must be actually drilled to the wall, but we are not going to drill the walls as we are renting an apartment, so we're just not going to put anything heavy on it, and it's quite firm without drilling.
Yeah, you got it.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah, pretty firm. What are we gonna do? The last thing. So these are the things which we put on.
What's this?
But then, it can be there. It's all right. It doesn't bother me because you can hang something on it. You can hang something on it. It will be all right. Like we can hang a towel, for example. It will be extra. Opa, we need 2 more. That's it, and that's extra.
There's so many extras.
Yeah, you need one. One more. I mean, a couple more. Up. Because if we did,
Any more ingredients?
they're here. Try to make them. I don't know which way. I would have put them the glossy way up, and because there is one side is glossy and the other side is like matte. It will not be any dirty. Но видишь, одна гладкая, а другая немножко шероховатая. Шероховатая будет грязь собираться. Поэтому если она будет вниз, будет меньше собираться грязи на нее. Here we are.
That one.
Yay! That's fun. That's what you do.
So we're finished with it?
Almost done. I'm trying to put it on. Hey, don't want to go, 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 go. You go, 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 baby. There we go. Click. Click, click. There we got it. We got this click, click. It clicked, 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 clicked. And that's our last shelf. And there are some hooks. Have you got some hooks over there? Yeah, there is a hook for the probably papers. Yeah, there. That's. Now we got the question. Okay, there on the side. What's that? And they just. We don't really need them. Okay, let them be. They don't need them because we have extra others. Here. We have other hooks. Yeah, we have our own hooks for you. Oh, there. Sweet.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can sit like that. I don't know. It's a little bit scary, but comfortable. Thank you for watching that. You can also join our assembly. Guess how much I paid for this construction? See you later.
Honestly speaking, it's not our first experiment. We already have similar shelves. Yes, similar storage shelves on the first floor, standing in our walk-in closet just for clothes and some other stuff. So it's not our first time assembling anything, something similar. But yeah, it's still simple.